So yeah, man. We were supposed to earn 16,000 pesos by the end of August. But everything every plan was renewed kasi magpapa-opera tayo sa May 28 and it will take about 2 months to recover just to make my arm move kasi mahirap yun guys sa totoo lang. Hopefully mabilis lang. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Um, I couldn't also go to the Majayjay Falls Laguna family bonding because in the BBL, yeah, everything's immediately changed. Ang bilis, kagi, solid ng mga pangyayari. Okay lang, everything's meant to happen for a purpose. Yeah, thanks.